In this video, I will show you how to do a Wise money transfer to India. Now, first off, I'll leave a link to this page in the description that will take you directly to the international money transfers offered by Wise. So if it's your first time sending, then through this link you won't need to pay any fees. So first here at the top, just pick your currency. For me this is euro, but this can also be Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, Swiss franc, or any of these other ones. And then just pick how much you would like to send. For example, I will select 100 euros. Then here where it says recipient gets, just go and click right there and then search for the Indian rupee if it is not set to that yet. So click Indian rupee, and then here you will see what your recipient will get, and you can see it should arrive in 5 hours. So now go and click on get started right here. So now you will need to create your Wise account. Now this will only take a few minutes. You can simply enter your email address right there or continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. I'll just continue with Google, and I already have an account, so it will just sign me in. But for you it will be your first time, so you will need to enter some details about yourself. So I've now signed into my account. Now I have two accounts right here, a personal account and a business account. So if you want to send money as a business, then you will need to get a business account. But for this example, I'll just send as a personal account. So after creating your account, you will see something like this. Now just go and click on send right here. And then here click on add a recipient. Then here select the Indian rupee. Now here you can choose how you would like the person to receive the money. If they have a Wise account, you can search Wise. If they don't, then just enter their bank details. So who is your recipient? Myself, someone else, or a business or charity? I will click someone else. Now here simply enter their email, this is optional. Then select if you know their bank details, and if you do, simply enter those details right here. Or optionally you can enter their UPI details, and then if you don't know their details, then simply enter their email, the full name of the account holder, and your recipient's preferred language. Then they will receive an email where they can enter their bank details in order to still receive the money. So then next up right here, you can choose how much you would like to send. For me, I want to send in euro, but again, you can also select the Canadian dollar or the British pound or any of those other ones. So if I now enter 100 right here, you will see how much the recipient will receive. You can choose how you would like to pay right here. So I can choose any of these options, but I'll just pick ideal and click continue. Now select the reason for your transfer. I will select family maintenance and click submit. Now here review all the details, and if they are correct, go and click on continue to payment. Now here select your bank. If you wanted to pay with your bank, for example, I will select ASN Bank, click continue, and then it will open this up where I can actually go and pay for this. So now you know how to do a Wise money transfer to India. Again, if you want to get your first transfer completely for free, then you can go and sign up to Wise using the link down in the description, and that will take you directly to the international money transfer page. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.